Hi, in this video I will introduce you to the pen, paper, notebook and other materials I use in my Zentangle drawings. Two things are enough to draw Zentangle. The first is the pen, the second is paper. You can do all the work with a pencil and a piece of paper. These are works done with just a pen and a piece of paper. No other materials were used. However, you can also try different materials if you want. In my previous video, I explained which pens I used. You can access this video from the link above. Let me briefly talk about my pens here again. I use fine-tipped drawing pencils as pens. My preferred numbers are: I use the 0.5 size pen the most. I prefer the 0.2 pen for very fine lines. I use the 1.2 pen to draw thick lines and paint large areas. Sometimes I also like to use a brush pen, if I had to give an example. In this drawing, I draw the shapes with a 0.5 pen. I paint the black interior parts with a 1.2 pen or brush tip pen. I draw the fine lines in between with a finer tip 0.2 pen. There are also drawing videos of these Zentangle works on my channel. If you are curious, you can watch it in more detail from there. If you want, you can also make colorful Zentangle drawings. These are some of the works I've done. While doing these works, I make drawings with fine-tipped drawing pencils. I usually draw improvisationally without using a pencil. But if you want, you can draw first with a pencil and then with a drawing pen. After the drawing is finished, I paint with felt-tip pens. Now let me talk about the papers I use. In fact, you can make your drawings on any paper. The papers I prefer most are coated papers. The surface of coated papers is smooth and slippery. It is non-woven. Since it is slippery, drawing is easy and smooth. I use these for small-sized works. These are also coated. You can also use Bristol and regular papers. The size of the papers is also important. This paper is A3 size, so it is 29.7 cm x 42 cm in size. This paper is A4 size, so it measures 21 cm x 29.7 cm. This paper is A5 size, that is 14.10 cm, measures x 21 cm. I also use this size paper that I have prepared myself for small works. I also like to use sketchbooks in my work. I have different sketchbooks. For example, this notebook is an A5 size notebook with 40 pages and consists of 120 grams of paper. Let me also show you some Zentangle examples I drew in this sketchbook. You can find videos showing the drawing stages of these on my channel. This is a 100-page sketchbook of A5 size and 100-gram thick paper. You can see some of the sketches and drawings I made in this notebook. But this is the notebook I like to use the most. I ran out of this black cover notebook and switched to a pink cover notebook. Same notebooks except cover colors. The pages of this notebook consist of thick and light yellow paper. It's a beautiful paper, smooth, slippery. Drawing is easy. Let me quickly show you my work in this notebook. These also have videos. As you can see in some works, there are smooth gaps at the edge of the page. You can use these masking tapes for this. These stick easily and can be removed when the drawing is finished. Since this notebook was full, I started a new one. These are the latest Zentangle works I made. I use this sketchbook when I don't have much time and want to make short works. As you can see, this square-shaped notebook is very cute. You can see its size better if you compare it with a pencil. Its size is 12 cm x 12 cm. These are some of the drawings in this notebook. I also published the drawing stages of these works on my channel. You can see it in more detail there. Today, I tried to introduce you to all the materials I use in my Zentangle works. I hope this video is useful to you and you like it. If there are topics you want to learn, you can write in the comments section. I would like to thank all my followers who supported my channel by subscribing, participating, liking the videos, commenting and sending super thanks. I am very happy to be able to share my work with you. Goodbye. See you in the new video.